Hi, you'll be watching the face yoga video by Yogabhyasa with Ratish. That is, Ratish is me. Okay, so it's a workshop of 1 hour which I have compressed to a almost 20 minutes video, taking bits and pieces from the workshop. And yeah, so you can tell me in comment box how you feel, how you felt by watching the video. So I keep doing these workshops, and you can contact me for the future workshops to get the full effect of the workshop. Okay, yeah, coming up next is the video. Just watch and enjoy. Comment below. Bye, see you.
Because of the aging factor, the muscles start sagging down, so you're pushing it up. Okay, so you're pushing the muscles up as much as you can, slowly, as you're pushing the muscles up. Okay, so the cheekbones, you can feel the muscles are going towards your cheekbones and then pushing it up further. Okay, so do it at least 10 to 15 times as you do it. Okay, you should, what is the thing is, it's about increasing the blood circulation, as everybody knows about it. Okay, I'm not giving any new information here, but it is good to know that information so that you can apply that information. Okay, so when you do this continuously multiple times, what happens is, and as I was talking to Sudha Rao that day, like, one session mein thoda bahut you'll get the result. Like, if you want to lose weight, you cannot go to a gym and say, okay, fine, Monday I did the gymming and then I lose weight. It doesn't happen like that. If you have to lose weight, you have to do it continuously every day. So whatever we learned today, it's better if you do it continuously. As I'm talking, as I'm continuously doing it, so you guys also do it. Okay, so, and listen also. So you'll be doing two things at a time. So listen also as I'm doing. So when you're pushing it up, your muscles sag downward, so you're pushing it up. Okay, as you're doing it. Okay, now the second one for your cheeks. Now what you go, now I won't be able to speak much, I'll be showing in action. So we will be holding the cheek. Okay, so you have to hold it till the level where it really burns. Okay, when it burns, only then it starts.
The people come and ask me, can we do for the double chin?
Yeah, so this is the best. Look up and pull that inside. From here also, pull up, keep pulling it up. That double chin is that is this thing for the double chin.
Excuse me, sir. Can you please repeat what did you said just now, because network was not there?
So pulling this up, double chin.
Okay.
The lower part, pulling up. Okay. Oh, sorry, I missed one more important part. Now, like now your eyes are there. Okay. So inside your eyes, behind your eyes, if you want to target. Okay. Now we targeted the throat. Okay. We targeted inside the cheeks. Okay. Inside part of the cheeks with the tongue. Okay. Now upper, your inside the eyes, behind the eyes, how you target? You can't put your hand inside, no? The eyes, you can't put your hand inside. So what you have to do is use your thumb at the back side of your skull. Okay? And where the skull is ending, push that region inside.
Every day you want us to practice for how many minutes?
Ah, see, I said no, like you cannot say na कि I'll go to the dining table, eat food and then I'm done with the food. नहीं ना, दिन में 4 बार खाते हैं ना, 3 बार खाते हैं ना, 2 बार खाते हैं ना, depending on your diet habits. The same way, this is like, you don't say na कि I brushed my teeth, okay, fine, last week, now I will not brush करके. The same way, you have to consider it like a brushing your teeth. You have to do it every day. Then see, if you do it every day without your this thing, it will work. Like, it's not a one-time thing. Like, sometimes it works. Like, you just do it once and then you'll feel it for some time. In some phase you will see, like, you'll just work for one time काम करेगा तो थोड़ा time के लिए रहता है, 2 घंटा, 3 घंटा, 4 घंटा, 5 घंटा, 1 day के लिए भी रहता है. Then it will die down. The face, the glow on the face. So you have to work daily. Then
Ratish, what is the right time to do this? All the time or just what is the right
anytime, whenever you are free.
चलता ना?
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि खाना खाने के बाद मैं फ्री है करके. Let the blood supply go to your digestive system.
Okay.
So anytime. See, most of the time we are like, everybody is now used to being on the social media. So, except one person I know, I think Ava, she is not there. So, we can just give some time off on the phone and do this. It takes 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. When you do that, you can keep a reminder on your phone also. Face yoga time. So every 4 hours, every 3 hours, you can keep a reminder. Then you can, when you get reminded 10 times in a day, then you will do it at least 2 times. Enough.
These Ratish,
Who's that?
Preeti.
Preeti,
All these also the stretches we do, like we have done in yoga institute, like all this, and these all this,
Kapal Randra Dauti.
that also helps.
Yeah, that also helps. So you can
What about Simha Mudra?
You can put some cream, or you can put badam oil or some good oil you can put, and then you can do the full face, tap all the muscles.
Simha Mudra.
Huh? Simha Mudra also. Yeah, Simha Mudra. That way though the class will go on for another 2 hours.
Ratish, can we just have a recap of all the...
Different way, Simha Mudra actually, Deepa, like that we did.
That
Simha
one,
Mudra
okay.
only.
Simha Mudra.
Equivalent to that only. Yeah, Ramya?
Sudha. Okay, it's my daughter's laptop. Can we just have a recap of all the mudras? All the facial
So-
exercises. Yes.
One we did. Okay, and then
Left, right. Okay.
right, left, and then
Okay.
Hanuman Wala only up and down.
Okay.
This thing bloated, that's it, cheek. Because of the sound people are getting, I'm just spotlighting. So from inside you'll feel all over. Okay?
Sir, is this only going up or do you come down also?
No, you can come down also. So you can go up and also you can come down. It's about tapping different muscles and nerves. That's it, as you're doing it. So normally when you do the humming, you'll do but here you're now giving an extra this thing to it as you're humming. Okay? Blowing air and keeping it inside. So now what is happening is you're exhaling as you're doing the. So there is no question. Those people like starting of the session, I said you can't hold it for a longer period of time. You can practice this humming along with this thing when you're not able to hold it for a longer period of time, because you're exhaling. So whether you want or no, you're exhaling when you're doing the humming. Okay, understood? So you can just lower the pace of the humming so that you can exhale for a longer period of time. By the time you're tricking the body here, tricking the mind here to hold it for a longer period of time. Okay, so your focus is there on the humming, on the sarigama padanisa. Okay, but you are actually holding it for a longer period of time here. So that's how you can work on it. Okay, yeah. Now what we will do is close your eyes. Till the time I say don't open your eyes, just keep your eyes closed completely. Okay? Just don't get yourself disturbed at your place also. Who's already yawning? Yeah. Just close your eyes. Now we are going to be using the mind. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to be taking your awareness to the facial muscles, cheeks, your chin, and from there you're going to be taking your awareness inside, and you're going to be feeling your teeth, your tongue, and feel where is your tongue, up, down, right, left, the position of the tongue, however it is. We are not going to do any comment on that. Okay, just observing and feel saliva around your tongue. Now feel the area between your teeth and the cheeks, inner side, right and left. Between your teeth and cheeks. And the same between your upper lip inside, lower lip inside, and your teeth, upper teeth and lower teeth. Feel that area. Feel the thickness of the skin, muscle, all put together from the inner side of the cheek, inner side of the lip, upper lip, lower lip, to the outermost layer of the skin. Feel the thickness, muscle, skin layer, nerves, everything put together. And then come back to your tongue, and with the tongue travel down towards your throat. Travel down to your throat. Feel how deep you can go along with your tongue, the throat, and from the throat, both sides, right extreme, left extreme, slowly travel up towards your jaws, below your ears. And then with the jaw bone, travel towards your chin. And then from the chin, slowly move upwards towards your high cheekbones below your eyes. High cheekbone below your eyes. Feel the connect between the cheekbones and the nose. And then slowly take your awareness now towards your eyes. This time what we are going to do is we are going to be going inside and feel the inside skin of your eye, inside layer of the upper eyelid touching the naked eye inside. Okay, so when you focus on that, then you will know exactly, okay, I'm not able to do on the right, but I'm able to do on the left, or not able. So that nerves you can work like that. Yeah, Arwa, okay? Yeah. So
Wanted to know for this eyebrows and eyelids. My eyes are covering. This is falling and my eyes are almost closing now. Can we do something like this?
Yeah, the eyebrows, you just pull it up and like that. Pull it up and push it. Okay, like how we did here. See, every facial muscle you push upwards. Okay, you don't pull downwards, you push upwards. Here also you push upwards. You push upwards as much as you can. You push upwards.
2 fingers are okay. 2 fingers.
2 fingers or 3 fingers also okay. 1 finger is also okay. Okay, so you can just push upwards. So that will also help you. Okay, and last but not the least, is all like we worked on the body level. As I told you, the mind level. Mind level पे किसे काम कर सकता है? So when you keep yourself happy, automatically you don't have to work on your any face yoga, boga, nothing. Okay, automatically it will show on your face. It will only help you to show it on your face when you are doing it. Okay, so just practice that also slowly and slowly. You'll be able to get your face glowing, young, all the time. So, till that time, keep your physical practice on. Yeah, Naina?
Yeah, I just wanted to ask the lower lip. I understood you're telling me to blow the lower lip, but I generally practice Hanuman. So Hanuman is nicely done. But first and the upper lip, I can manage it.
Yeah.
The lower lip, is it right what I'm doing?
See, you will know exactly. See, now when I'm doing my lower lip, upper lip is working, but there is no air here.
Okay.
So this is empty. So that is what you have to see. See, there is no air here, upper lip. So that is what you have to work on. Okay. Not happening, Preeti also. तुम लोग दोनों का दोस्ती है ना इसके लिए. Yeah. So everybody understood? Yeah. Any other questions? Any doubts?
Every day you want us to practice for how many?
See, I said na, like you cannot say na कि I'll go to the dining table, eat food, and then I'm done with the food. नहीं ना, दिन में 4 बार खाते हैं ना, 3 बार खाते हैं ना, 2 बार खाते हैं ना, depending on your diet habits. The same way, this is like, you don't say na कि I brushed my teeth, okay, fine, last week, now I will not brush करके. The same way, you have to consider it like a brushing your teeth. You have to do it every day. Then see, if you do it every day without your this thing, it will work. Like it's not a one-time thing. Like sometimes it works. Like you just do it once and then you'll feel it for some time. In some phase you will see, like you'll just work for once, one time काम करेगा तो थोड़ा time के लिए रहता है, 2 घंटा, 3 घंटा, 4 घंटा, 5 घंटा, 1 day के लिए भी रहता है. Then it will die down. The face, the glow on the face. So you have to work daily.
Atish, what is the right time to do this? All the time or just what is the right?
Anytime, whenever you are.
चलता ना?
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि खाना खाने के बाद मैं free है करके. Let the blood supply go to your digestive system.
Okay.
So anytime. See, most of the time we are like everybody is now used to being on the social media. So, except one person I know, I think Ava, she is not there. So, we can just give some time off on the phone and do this. It takes 2 minutes, 3 minutes to your lungs when you're doing the humming thing. So that will help you. And give that Sarigama Padanisa. So it will go and touch different chords, the different swaras will go and touch different chords in the body, in the face. Okay. And humming is basically good for your central nervous system, to calm down your central nervous system. So it will help you otherwise also.
So, sir, when are you going to take the follow-up? You will be seeing a new faces after.
But it really helped or not?
Yeah.
You will be seeing a new face, all new faces with glowing and all that.
Yeah, glowing, and then so I'll take the credit for all that glow.
Not
No,
it's
you have
fair.
to take.
It's not fair and lovely.
Yeah, not fair and lovely, natural glow.
No, take the pictures now and recap of all the mudras. All the facial
So,
exercises. Yes.
One we did, okay, and then
Left, right. Okay.
right, left, and then
Okay.
Hanuman wala only up and down.
Okay.
Hanuman wala, and then open your mouth, tongue, and then
Tongue.
look up.
Look up. Okay.
Okay, that one where you're not, tongue is not supposed to be touching this thing, and pinching.
Okay.
Money sign.
Okay.
0 1 also.
Huh?
0 1.
0.
Yeah.
Rolling the tongue.
0 for the lips, upper lip, lower lip, and then side,
Sides, yeah.
clockwise. Okay, and then one side we did
Yeah.
that also blowing.
Then ceiling.
Okay.
Sorry.
Smooching
Yeah,
the
and then-
smooching the ceiling.
Smooching the ceiling.
Yeah.
Okay. All
That
right.
is my favorite. Smooching the ceiling, and then
Sir, whose photo is there up on the ceiling?
yeah. Chin going towards the right and chin going towards the left.
Left.
Okay, and
He
then
still cannot touch it. Okay.
and then pulling the bottom part of the lower palate into the body, into the throat. Okay, that one.
Yeah.
And then fingers. ye wala. So that we did. And then we did this ulta wala. So that is for the nervous thing. And then back
Cervical. Yes.
So this much.
And
This one
Saregama.
is also, sorry. Yeah.
What? Sorry. Anybody reminded something?
Saregama Padanisa.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Humming.
Humming.
So that humming will really help you. Humming will really help. Okay, because you will not hold the breath in humming. So otherwise, I'm a very I just keep telling, don't hold the breath, don't hold the breath. I keep telling, and it automatically happens. If I have to tell somebody to hold it for 10 counts, you will hold the breath for 10 counts. Okay. So humming it is good because you will not hold the breath. So you will not strain your lungs when you're doing the humming thing. So that will help you. And give that Sarigama Padanisa. So it will go and touch different chords, the different swaras will go and touch different chords in the body, in the face. Okay. And humming is basically good for your central nervous system, to calm down your central nervous system. So it will help you otherwise also.
So, sir, when are you going to take the follow-up? You will be seeing a new faces after.
But that really helped a lot.
Yeah.
You will be seeing a new face, all new faces with glowing and all that.
Yeah, glowing and then
Okay, so let me know in the comment box how you felt about the entire glimpses here and there which I've picked up from the workshops, and whatever you could pick up, you can practice and let me know. And see you in the next video. I'll come uploading soon on different subjects like cervical issues, knee issues, and back pain, etc. So yeah, subscribe to this channel to get more details on different things, and please comment below so that I get to know exactly what you want. Bye. See you.